Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie from Camellia Crafts Designs. It's just a quick one today. There's going to be just a little bit of waffle about what I've got coming up on my channel, and also some details of a giveaway if you tune in till the end. So I'd like to start with thanking all my subscribers again. I've hit 250 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. I'm chuffed to bits. It's brilliant. I can't thank you enough. And I planned to do a video at 250 subscribers, but when I started my channel back in September, I expected that to happen around about Christmas, and it's 20th of October today, so I've hit that goal earlier than expected, and that's all thanks to you for watching me. So thank you again. I really can't thank you enough. Right, firstly, just a little waffle about what I've got coming up on my channel. Now, I'd planned a little series called Gadgets and Gizmos, because I do use quite a few little gadgets and gizmos in my crafting. I already had them before I came to junk journaling, so I'm going to make use of them. I know a lot of them are designed for card making or scrapbooking, but they're really good to use in junk journaling. And I've used a few little gadgets in some of my videos so far, but I've always tried to give you alternatives to those if you don't have them. But there are some things that you need the gadget to do properly, or it makes your life a lot easier to use the gadget, should I say. Now, the first video is actually done by request of Tanya again from Tatty Treasure. She said to me the other day, she says, "Hey, can you do a video showing me how to do..." I don't know, I'm making her speak really gruff, sorry Tanya. "Can you do a video showing me how to make tabs with that envelope punch board?" I'm like, "Of course Tanya, I will. In fact, that will kickstart me into doing my series that I've got planned." So the first one, which I'm going to film after this and get up in the next couple of days, will be showing you how to do tabs with your envelope punch board without needing the tab punch board that you've seen me use. It makes different tabs, so it's really just another string to your bow. If you did have both of them, you can do different types of tabs. I might also show you how to do a bow if I can remember how to do it. I have done some before. I'll have to dust cobwebs off old cogs in brain there for that one. So yeah, that's going to be my next video, showing you a few little things you can do with your envelope punch boards if you've got one. I mean, by making it a separate series, if you don't have these gadgets or you don't want to buy these gadgets, you don't have to watch them. But maybe you've seen people use them and you think, I might want that, I might not want that. If you see different ways different people use them, it might help you make that decision one way or other. Or it'll just give you something else to do if you've already got them. I mean, I've got quite a few of the We Are Memory Keepers ones, because whenever it's my birthday, Mother's Day or Christmas, I always want my kids to get me craft supplies. And over years, I've got one or two of these punch boards. In fact, they'll say to me, "Which punch board do you want for Christmas this year, Mum?" And I'm like, yeah. I've even got a couple, I'm not going to tell you which, because they will come up in the series, that I have never actually used, which is shameful, I know it is. I wanted them enough to get my kids to buy them, and then I've not used them. I've always just been too busy doing other things. So it'll be a little bit of a learning experience for both of us on some of them. But like I say, this is the channel to see how not to do it, and then see how to repair it. So I'll just put my punch boards out at way, and I'll get on to my giveaway now. Now, if you've watched my last couple of videos, you will have seen me make a little green journal thingy, as I call it. Junk journal notebook thingy. I think that's its official title now. So I've decided this is what I'm going to give away. Yeah, if you did watch the series, you know exactly what you're getting, but for those of you who haven't, I'll just take you inside this one to see exactly what you could win. So this is it. It opens up. We've got a pocket there. Inside the pocket we have a guest check, it's a little collage tag, and an envelope which will have some tea cards inside when I put the tea cards inside. In fact, do you know what? I've got my box of tea cards here. I'm going to fish 3 out and pop them in. Here we go. I always tend to put a floral one in, a butterfly one in, or a bird, and one with a tree, because I've got a few sets of these. I did have some that were my mum's, and then I bought a few more from various craft fairs. I've had a few off eBay, and yeah. Oh, look at him. What is it? He is... Oh, that's African wildlife. I don't think that belongs in here, does it? What's this? Ah, here's a tree one. Yeah, trees in Britain. So we'll pop those in. They just fit perfectly in these little pockets. So they're the 3 you will get. I'll close that up after the video. Pop the tea cards to one side now. Also in it is this removable notebook. Yeah, it's got 10 pages. They're just torn from various tea and coffee dyed papers. I've used the tab punch board to make that. I've used some of my circle punches for those. And then if we turn it over, put that back inside. It does want to fit. There you go. We don't want it falling out, do we? Over onto the back, we've got another pocket with a couple of tags. So that's your prize. Now what I want you to do to win with a chance of winning this is obviously be a subscriber, because if you're not a subscriber you can't comment. So yeah, be a subscriber, and I'd like you to leave me a comment letting me know what you would use this for, because I'd be really interested to know what you would use this for. So that's it. Told you it was a short video, didn't I? So leave me a comment, let me know what you're going to use this for, and I'm going to draw it in 8 days. What day is it today? It's Tuesday today, Tuesday the 20th. So I will draw it on Wednesday the 28th. Yeah, nice midweek one. Yeah, I will draw. It will be tea time, that video. I tend to upload most of my videos at tea time. I work on things through the day, get it uploaded to YouTube, and get all my descriptions done while I'm doing tea for my girls. So yeah, that's it. We've got gadgets and gizmos coming up, and this giveaway, again, to thank everyone. I will say it once again, thank you everyone who has subscribed. You've exceeded my expectations of how this channel would go in its first 6-7 weeks, and yeah, I'm chuffed to bits. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.